Hello and welcome to my channel. Did you know that broccoli, the vegetable often found on our dinner plates, has a history dating back thousands of years? This green vegetable has a fascinating journey from its wild origins to the cultivated form we know today. This humble vegetable originated from a wild cabbage in the Mediterranean region. The wild cabbage was the ancestor of many modern vegetables, including broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. The Etruscans, an ancient Italian civilization, were among the first to cultivate broccoli. This early form of broccoli was quite different from what we see today, but laid the foundation for its future development. From Italy, broccoli made its way to other parts of Europe. It was a favorite of the Romans, who appreciated its flavor and versatility. Roman texts from the time even mention broccoli as a valued vegetable, highlighting its importance in their diet. However, it took several centuries for broccoli to gain widespread popularity. It wasn't until the Renaissance that broccoli began to gain more attention, thanks to the increased interest in agriculture and horticulture. In the 18th century, broccoli made its way to North America. Italian immigrants brought it with them, introducing it to the New World. Today, broccoli's versatility makes it a favorite in many cuisines, and its nutritional profile has earned it a reputation as a superfood. Let's delve deeper into the qualities of this amazing vegetable. Broccoli is often called a nutritional powerhouse, and for good reason. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Just 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains a significant amount of your daily vitamin C needs. Broccoli is also an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting. Furthermore, it provides dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. This makes broccoli a great choice for weight management. Broccoli is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless of ways. While steaming is a popular cooking method, don't be afraid to get creative. Roasting broccoli brings out its natural sweetness and adds a delicious nutty flavor. You can also sauté broccoli with garlic and olive oil for a quick and flavorful side dish. Add broccoli to stir-fries, soups, pasta dishes, or even pizzas for a boost of nutrition and flavor. Don't forget about broccoli florets as a healthy snack with your favorite dip. Broccoli has earned its reputation as a superfood due to its impressive nutrient profile and potential health benefits. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. It is particularly rich in vitamins C and K, folate, and potassium. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining various bodily functions, from boosting the immune system to supporting bone health. Studies have shown that the compounds found in broccoli may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. One of the key compounds in broccoli is sulforaphane, which has been extensively researched for its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, the high fiber content in broccoli aids in regulating blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for managing diabetes. The antioxidants in broccoli help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. These antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. This protective effect can help lower the risk of chronic diseases. Including broccoli as part of a balanced diet is a delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. So, Next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to add some broccoli to your shopping list. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin K and calcium, both of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin K helps your body absorb calcium more effectively, ensuring that your bones receive the nutrients they need. Adequate calcium intake is crucial throughout life, but it's especially important during childhood and adolescence when bones are still growing and developing. Eating broccoli regularly can help support bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis later in life. Broccoli sprouts, the young shoots of the broccoli plant, are even more concentrated in certain nutrients than mature broccoli. These tiny greens have a slightly peppery flavor and can be enjoyed raw in salads or sandwiches. Adding broccoli sprouts to your diet is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. When choosing broccoli, look for firm, deeply colored florets with tight buds. Avoid broccoli with yellowing florets or wilted stalks. To store broccoli, wrap it in a damp paper towel and place it in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. Broccoli is best enjoyed within a few days of purchase. If you can't use it right away, consider blanching it and freezing it for later use. This will help preserve its nutrients and flavor. Broccoli in different cuisines. Broccoli's versatility extends beyond simple side dishes. In Italian cuisine, broccoli is often featured in pasta dishes, frittatas, and pizzas. In Chinese cuisine, broccoli is commonly stir-fried with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Indian cuisine incorporates broccoli into curries, stews, and even pakoras. Explore different culinary traditions to discover new and exciting ways to enjoy broccoli. Broccoli for all ages. Whether you're cooking for a baby, a toddler, a teenager, or a senior, broccoli can be a versatile and nutritious addition to your meals. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a great choice for everyone. For babies, puree steamed broccoli to create a smooth and nutritious first food. This simple preparation ensures that even the youngest family members get a healthy start. Toddlers and young children often enjoy broccoli florets dipped in hummus or yogurt. You can also try roasting the florets with a little olive oil and a pinch of salt for a tasty snack. Teenagers might prefer broccoli in more complex dishes, like a stir-fry with chicken and rice. Adding some soy sauce and garlic can enhance the flavors and make the dish more appealing to their taste buds. For older adults, broccoli can be chopped into smaller pieces or pureed to make it easier to chew and digest. You can incorporate it into soups or casseroles. Get creative in the kitchen and adapt recipes to suit the preferences of everyone in your family. There are endless ways to make this vegetable a staple in your household. Broccoli. A delicious choice for a healthier planet. Choosing to eat more plant-based foods, like broccoli, is not only good for your health but also for the environment. Broccoli has a relatively low carbon footprint compared to animal products, making it a sustainable food choice. By incorporating more broccoli into your diet, you can reduce your environmental impact while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Support local farmers and choose organic broccoli whenever possible to further minimize your footprint. Embrace the magic of broccoli. Broccoli is more than just a green vegetable. It's a culinary chameleon that can be transformed into countless delicious and nutritious dishes. Embrace the magic of broccoli and let it inspire you to experiment in the kitchen. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.